Hello and welcome to the final episode of House Build Part 23. In this episode, we've got a lot of work to do. Got the closets that need to be finished, crown molding that needs to be complete. You can see the shower doors are being installed in the master. And the mirrors are being hung along with towel bars, toilet paper holders, robe hooks. All the plumbing is complete. And we've got our towel bars installed in the master. And let's take a look at what the shower door looks like. So it's a pivot door into our master shower. Take a look outside at the front patio. Still need our walkway poured. We have our ceiling done under the front patio. And we're going to get our driveway poured. That'll go back to the external garage. The flat work's done on that now, so we can proceed with the driveway finally. You can see that's going to be a nice driveway. Over here we have the patio. That'll get poured at the same time. So let's take a look back inside. Our kitchen has the range in it. Dishwasher's installed. Backsplash is done. Refrigerator will be installed. Very last thing. Carpet is now installed in the bedroom areas. Master bathroom, tile, everything finished in here. All that's left to do in here is a little cleanup. Master closet is complete. All the shelving is done. So we take a walk down the hallway to the great living area, great room, and into the front bedroom. All complete in here. Closet doors hung, carpet installed, closets complete. Back bedroom, same thing. Carpeted, closets complete. And we can go outside, and this is the back stoop. Go back upstairs, carpet up the steps. And the deck area, it's all done. Fixed up the siding. Post caps are on. We got the lighted post caps installed and the stamped concrete patio, along with the driveway going to the external garage. The homeowner has decided that he is going to install the ceiling fans himself, so those will not be installed in this video. Main bathroom is complete. And the driveway is also complete. You can see this is the driveway going around the side of the house back to the external garage. And that'll look over at the patio and the deck and the rear of the house. So we can take a look back inside. down the steps. And you can see where the rough end is for an additional bathroom in the basement. And this basement will be finished off at some point. The homeowner has plans to finish it. Water heater's operational, worked great, having a tankless water heater, and this is going to be a bench for the laundry area. This window in the back with the walkout, so the front of the house all done here. We just need to get some seed down and do some landscaping. We'll take a look around the front and you'll see we have the walkway done and the stone around the pillar on the front patio. And the final grade is done. I hope you enjoyed this series of house build. To see more videos and projects, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.